Hello students of Standard 6. Welcome to DAV Mall Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Mishra. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Our today's topic is from your practice book, Regular and Irregular Verbs. Today we will study in detail about regular verbs. Dear students, have you heard the famous story of Cinderella? A part of it is given below. Cinderella lived in a small village in England with her stepmother and two stepsisters. No one in the family loved her. She worked for the whole day, whereas her sisters did nothing. One day, the family received an invitation to a party at the king's palace. Cinderella too, like her sisters, wanted to go to the party, but her mother refused to take her. Let us study the verbs given in bold. Lived, loved, worked, received, wanted, refused. Do you find any similarity in these verbs? Yes, there is some similarity. All these are past forms of the verbs. Each of these past forms ends with ed. Remember, dear students, the verbs that end in ed, d or t in their past forms are called regular verbs. Example: work, worked, receive, received, build, built. Cinderella's stepmother and stepsisters went to the party, leaving her alone at home. Cinderella felt sad and wrote the following diary entry, but some words are missing in it. Choose the correct verbs from the box given below and complete the entry using their past forms. The first one has been done for you. Here are some words in the box: ask, call, accuse, receive, express, scold, try, learn. You have to make their past forms and use them in the blanks. August 9, 9:30 p.m. Today we received an invitation from the king to a dance party. My stepmother and stepsisters dash her desire to attend the party. When I dash about it and dash them to take me along, they dash me. They dash me ugly and dash me to being unlucky. I dashed to convince them, but they did not agree. Had I gone to the party, I would have enjoyed myself a lot. I would have danced with the prince. Oh, how I wish I could have gone there. Will no one help me? After filling all the blanks, what you will observe that the words you have filled in the blanks are regular or weak verbs. They end in ed, d or t in their past forms. Now look at the pictures given below and complete the story of Cinderella using the regular verbs given below. Cinderella wanted to go to the party but could not. She starts crying. A fairy appears, offers help, warns her to return before midnight. Cinderella reaches the party, dances with the prince. Cinderella rushes out as the clock strikes 12, drops her shoe. The prince orders to find her. Servants reach her home, ask her to wear the shoe. The shoe fits her properly, marries the prince. So, you have to use the regular verbs and fill in the blanks. Now let us read the negatives. Read the following extract from Cinderella's diary. I tried to convince them, but they did not agree. I wanted to go to the party, but my mother did not want me to go. Remember, to form a negative sentence in the past tense, we use did not with the base form of the verb. Do not use ed with regular verbs while using did. For example, Cinderella wanted to go to the party. Cinderella did not want to go to the party. Given below are some incorrect statements about Cinderella. Correct these statements. The first one has been done for you. First, Cinderella's stepmother loved her. Cinderella's stepmother did not love her. Dear students, when we will use did in the sentence, we will not use the past form of the verb. For example, Cinderella's stepmother did not love her. Instead of love, we will write only love. In the same way, you have to do the remaining questions.